Hey guys, Mariah from MariahMagazine.com here, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to install your Facebook pixel into your WordPress website. So the first thing you want to do is grab your pixel. So you go to your business Facebook page, and then you have to go to the business manager, and then we're going to click where it says pages right here in the top left hand corner, and then we're going to click the pixels option. So if you haven't created a pixel yet, go ahead and create one. I'm not going to run through that on this tutorial, but once you create it, you'll be shown your pixel right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the pixel that we've created, and then we're going to go to the setup button right here. So once you click setup, you have these three options right here. If you would like, you can email instructions to a developer. So if you have somebody that works on your WordPress website with you or for you, you can go ahead and click that option and you can email them these directions. But the option that we're going to work with today is the middle one. So manually install the code yourself. So once you click on that, you're going to copy the entire pixel code and paste it into your website header. Okay, so I know that this sounds and looks a little overwhelming, but we're just going to copy the code to the clipboard so that we have it saved. And then you're going to want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. It depends on which theme that you're using. So if you're using Divi, you can go ahead and paste the code. Click on Divi here in the left-hand menu. And then when the Divi theme options come up, go ahead and click on integration and then add the code to the header tag. So you can go ahead and paste your code there. And then once you save it, your Facebook pixel code will be installed on every page of your website. If you're using a Genesis theme, it's kind of the same thing. So you would go to your WordPress dashboard and click Genesis, and then scroll down in the theme settings and go ahead and paste the code right there in your header scripts, and then click Save Changes. So if you're not sure where the option to place header scripts for your website is, I have a solution for you. So we're going to go ahead and go to plugins, and we're going to add a new one. So we're going to add a plugin called Header and Footer. So it looks like this, and it's by WP Beginner. So go ahead and install that. And then once it's done installing, you can go ahead and click Activate. And once you activate it, the plugin settings will show up under the Settings tab. So go to Settings, and then you'll see Insert Headers and Footers. So now all we have to do is go ahead and paste our Facebook pixel code into the Scripts and Header box. So go ahead and paste that there, and then click Save. And once you do that, then your Facebook pixel will be installed on your website. And if you want to find out if you installed your Facebook pixel correctly on your website, you can download this free Chrome extension. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. I'll leave the URL to it down below in the description. So basically you click on that and then click Add to Chrome, and then you're going to want to add the extension. And then once you do that, you'll see this cute little notification here, and we can just close that out. So once you have it installed, you can go ahead and visit your website. And if the Facebook pixel is installed correctly, you'll see this green little box next to your Chrome extension. So if you click on it, it says 1 pixel found. And then it gives you a little bit more information on the pixel itself. But if it's not installed properly, then you won't see that green box right there, and you'll see that no pixels found, which means that you either didn't put it into the right area or the right header script. There could be a few reasons for that. But this free Google Chrome extension is super helpful so that you can see if you installed the pixel correctly just at a quick glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a really quick thumbs up for me. And if you have any questions, go ahead and pop them in the comments below.